Hello, good evening. My name is Jonathan Pedraza. In this video, I am going to talk about how my verdicts have been. On my last verdict, I started the day with a surprise breakfast had my wife pre- prepared for me. The afternoon I went to a lunch with my family organized by my mother and grandmother. Everyone, everyone congratulations me. At night I meet with my friends and acquaintances and we share a small cake. And my next birthday, I want to go for a walk with my family to them out and share a delicious lunch. Goodbye, okay?